Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's lecture will be on trigonometric formulae. Now, singular is formula and plural is formulae. In general, people use the word formulas nowadays, but the correct word is formulae. Formulas word ज़्यादा यूज होता है इसलिए formulas बोलते हैं, but the correct thing is formulae. Now we are going to study about trigonometric formulae. What is the use of this formula which I am going to teach you today? For the chapters derivatives, that is differentiation, and for chapter integration, आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के सारे फॉर्मूलाज मालूम होने चाहिए, अच्छे से याद होने चाहिए. सपोज जैसे कि खाने में नमक, वैसे इन दो चैप्टर में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. Without trigonometry, you won't be able to solve any kind of sum, simplification problems of derivatives or integration. So let's start with the first basic formula. First set is about compound angles. Compound angles से हम start करेंगे. We will start with compound angles and we will go with half angles, double angles, triple angles, factorization formula and refactorization formula. So watch the video till the end. Do not skip any step. Wherever necessary, pause the video, note down the formula, notes खुद के बनाओ, then proceed for the next formula. So I repeat, watch the video till the end so that you understand each and every formula easily. I'll also tell you how to remember those formulas. First one, compound angles is first formula for compound angles is sin A plus B. Second is sin A minus B. Okay. Once you are done with sin, we will go to cos. Now sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. A similar thing over here. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. First I'll write down the four formulae, then I'll tell you how to remember that. The next set comes of cos A plus B. Then we have cos A minus B. What is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we have written down the formulas for compound angles. And compound angles क्यों बोलते हैं? Because we add or subtract two angles. That's why it is called compound angles. Now let's see how to by heart or how to remember. अगर आपको च्यवनप्राश का ऐड याद होगा तो उसमें था सोना दे ताकत, चांदी दे तेज दिमाग. So let's remember these two words, sona and chandi. So over here, this S, sona, C for chandi, S for sona, C for chandi. So for the sign, okay, sin A plus, like what I can say, sona, chandi, chandi, sona. Again, sona, chandi, chandi, sona. I repeat. How you can remember for sign? Sona, chandi, chandi, sona. Sona, chandi, chandi, sona. Cos में क्या होगा? Chandi, chandi, sona, sona. Chandi, chandi, sona, sona. So this you can remember the formula. So I repeat. For sin, I will use the pair sona, chandi, chandi, sona, sona, chandi, chandi, sona. For cos, I will use chandi, chandi, sona, sona, chandi, chandi, sona, sona. Now over here I had sin A plus B. So here I had plus. Over here I have minus. So here I have minus. In case of cos, things will be opposite most of the time. उल्टा ही जाएगा. Over here I have plus, so it will be minus. Over here I have minus, so it will be plus. So this was the first set of trigonometric formulae, compound angles. So remember, for sine we have Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona. For cos we have Chandi, Chandi, Sona, Sona. इसको याद रखिएगा, because आगे के सारे formulas को हम ऐसे ही याद करेंगे. The next set of formula is factorization formula. Okay. Next it is factorization formula. जैसे याद दिला रहा हूँ, formula is pure if it is one, formula if it is more than one, it is formula. So first set is sin C plus sin D, then sin C minus sin D. Sequence remains the same, plus minus of sine, then plus minus of cos. Third is cos C plus cos D. Fourth, cos C minus cos D. So you know, Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona, okay. So for sine C plus, so let's begin. Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona. Chandi, Chandi, Sona, Sona. I repeat. Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona. Chandi, Chandi, Sona, Sona. So this is sine, cos, cos, sine, cos, cos, sine, sine. So now first part will be C plus D by 2. Here also I'll have C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. Okay. Second part, very obvious, we have C minus D by 2. 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 Now put 2 everywhere. 2. The only difference we'll have is over here. In the last part, it will be minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. So let's see what is sin C plus sin D. First formula is sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. You can pause the video over here, note down this set of formulae. Second, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2. So in the first two set, Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona. Then number 3, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 4, cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. In the fourth one, if you want to get rid of this negative sign, जो आपको बाहर नेगेटिव साइन दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, इसको अगर मुझे रिमूव करना है, so I can just change this to 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin, I can make it D minus C by 2. Only in case if I don't want the negative sign over there. So this was factorization formula. Third set, defactorization formula. So first I will write all the formulae. Okay. Then I'll explain how to remember. Same technique of Sona, Chandi. So let's note down everything. First, 2 sin A cos B. 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A cos B. 2 sin A sin B. If you see a pattern over here, again the same thing. Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona, Sona. Now we know that Sona, Chandi, Chandi, Sona is for sin. So here I will have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Then third, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So we know that mixture of sin and cos, that is Sona Chandi ka mixture, will always be for sin. So Sona Chandi Chandi Sona is completely sin. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Cos sin sin, that is Chandi Chandi Sona Sona, will completely go for cos. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The last one, as I have told you, cos में थोड़ा सा उल्टा ही रहेगा. So first cos A minus AB minus B will be there, minus of cos A plus B. The fourth one, okay, is quite problematic. First we write A minus B, then we'll write A plus B. So this was defactorization formula using the same thing. Sona Chandi Chandi Sona for sin pair, Chandi Chandi Sona Sona for cos pair. Next set of formulas, for double angles. I remind you that all the formulae will be used in the chapters derivatives and integration. So next set of formula goes with double angles. Let's start. First is sin 2 theta. 2 को बाहर लेना है, sin theta करना है और cos लगा देना है. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Second, cos 2 theta. 2 को छोटा करना है, cos square theta कर दो. Again minus sin square. Remember, sin और cos की जोड़ी हमेशा साथ में जाती है. So what is cos 2 theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now we know one identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I can say that sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So we are going to use this identity over here. Now if I replace cos square theta with 1 minus sin square, so the formula becomes 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now instead of replacing cos square, I can replace sin square even. So the formula will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. You should know all these relationships, because for simplifying trigonometry based sums, you should know all kind of relations. So we are done with sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Now we can also write sin 2 theta in terms of tan. So it will be 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. and we know the relationship between tan, sine and cos. Once you get sine to theta and cos to theta, I can get the value of tan to theta. What is tan to theta? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now you can get confused over here. The formula looks similar for sine to theta and tan to theta. Remember, for sine it's plus, for tan it's minus. Sine बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, वो कभी साइन में ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे नहीं करेगा. So sin to theta के लिए remember that it is plus 1 plus tan square theta. For tan to theta, remember that it is 1 minus tan square theta. So now we are done with double angles. Using the same relationship, we can write the formula for half angles. Using the same, you will replace 2 theta by theta on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have theta, we will replace it by theta by 2. So let's check the formula for half angles. Okay. Do not skip any step. Please see all the steps carefully. First, sin theta becomes 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Exactly similar to the previous one. Exactly same. Over there we had 2 theta, now we have theta over here. On the right side we had theta, now we have theta by 2. There's no other difference. Next is cos theta. This is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, which can also be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, also 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Now we are done with sin and cos. The next is writing sin cos in terms of tan. So sin theta is 2 tan theta by 2. I hope you remember that for sine we'll have plus, it will be 1 plus tan square theta by 2. For cos theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Last one for half angles, tan theta, similar to sine formula, 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus, remember it is 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So this was a set for half angles. We are done with double angles, half angles. The last one is triple angles. Very interesting, very easy way to remember. Okay. So first is sin 3 theta. Now remember what I'm trying to say. Simple way. 3 को पहले बाहर करो, ओके, फिर 3 को छोटा करो, एंड यहाँ पे माइनस 4 करो. पहले बाहर किया, फिर छोटा किया. सो व्हाट इज sin 3 थीटा? 3 sin थीटा minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos में things will be slightly different. Okay. So पहले 3 को छोटा करो in case of cos, फिर 3 को बाहर निकालो. Put a minus over here. Over here with the power 3 I had 4, so over here also with the power 3 I'll write 4. So what is cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Number 3, tan 3 theta. Similar to sin, 3 पहले बाहर निकालो, फिर 3 को छोटा करो. और यहाँ पे माइनस। अब यहाँ पे 4 का कोई फंडा नहीं है, we'll not use 4 over here. Instead of 4, I'll have a denominator which has 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. So in case of sine, पहले 3 को बाहर निकाला, okay, फिर छोटा किया। cos में उल्टा, पहले छोटा किया, फिर बाहर निकाला। So what is sin theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. What is cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. The last one, tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So in this session, we have studied about trigonometric formulas related to compound angles. Second was factorization formula. Third, defactorization formula. Then double angles formula. Using double angles, we did half angles. At last, we did triple angles. These formulae are important for derivatives and integration. So practice it at least 20-30 times. Or you can apply, while solving, you can apply the formula and remember it. But before you begin a derivatives and integration, please by heart this formula, practice them for 30-40 times so that it becomes easy for you to understand derivatives and integration chapter. If you like the video, please click on like button. Comment in the section what lectures you want in near future, what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, how can the video lectures be improved, and please share it with your friends. And if you want to get notified about new uploaded lectures, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.